Good morning, everyone. Happy December 11th. Let's see. Oh, it's a sing-along trivia. All right. And then the 11th here. Right here. Oh, here, Robert. You can try this one. Speculous. That means we have no idea what it is.
Oh my.
But since you're right here, let's hear the joke of the day. What do you call someone who's crazy about corn?
I don't know.
Crazy? I don't know. Crazy cracker? A cornivore. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right. 11. I think the last part got cut off, so it was a Carmela. And then the very predictable Hallmark channel. We were watching it last night, and in the middle of one of the best Hallmark movies ever, the storms happened. So we'll finish watching it tonight. And then 11, do you see it anywhere? There it is. My favorite. Today it is it's a penguin. Look at that.
Wow.
Very cute. All right, Robert.
That's very pretty.
Oh, good chocolate. You want a bite?
Right now.
I always eat it right away.
There's been some rearranging of the
There's been...
people on the
Oh,
scene.
Robert did. He did make it look better.
I got rid of some people.
Where is the mom?
I don't know.
You can't get rid of her.
I didn't. She's still
She's
there.
in the box, isn't she? You put her in the box. What's in the box? I can't open it. You open it. This box is so big. He fit 2 people in the box. All right. That's fine. They can stay there till Christmas.
So where's the, is this it?
Oh, we knew it.
The major award.
We knew that was going to happen.
God, Danny, put these in there.
Here, let me try.
Yeah, you try. I can't.
Hold on one second. I need both hands. Good morning. Happy December 12th. Let's see what we got today. Oh. I don't know what it is. I think it's a magnet. I think it's like a magnet page bookmark. That's pretty cool. Yep. I like it. And then the popcorn. Let's see. Let's flip it over because I don't see a 12 on that side. Where are the numbers again? There we go. Orange chocolate. Oh, that one kind of actually sounds interesting. Orange chocolate. All right, time for the Cadbury. As I'm looking, here's the 12 up here, but I just noticed this really looks like a 6 that I haven't opened. How did I miss the 6? Did I skip a day? I don't know. We'll leave it for a bonus at the end. I don't really remember skipping a day, but I must have because I've not opened the 6th. It's just hard to read. Doesn't that look like a 6 right there? I think. Oh my God. How did I skip a day? Oh well. Oh, we got another Carmela. Those are good. And then the Hallmark. The 12th. Oh. There we go. All right, back to the Cadbury. I'm not very superstitious, but is it bad luck to miss a day? This is really bugging me. How is there a 6 not open? How could I miss a day? I don't understand. Let's see, or did they do... I don't know. I was watching someone from Britain. Her advent calendar was extremely expensive, and it had 2 of the same days. So I need to go through my book. I'm keeping a junk journal, and I pull these off. So I need to see what it says for the 6th. But anyway, let's go back to the 12th. Ooh, a teddy bear. Very cute. Oh, come on. Don't be difficult, teddy bear. All right, I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. I'll do one more advent tomorrow before I leave. But I'm like, I don't know what to get. I need to get Christmassy again, but I did red. What else is there to do besides red for Christmas? All right, I just solved my mystery. Here's my junk journal page from the 6th, and I flip, this is the window. I flip it over. It's upside down, but there's a 116. So I opened the 16th on the 6th. So we'll save the 6th for the 16th. And I realize I sound a bit whiny. I am whiny right now. So I don't know what happened. But Thursday night, I was working around the kitchen, preserving some garlic for the winter. And I guess I just was standing around too much in crappy shoes. Because shoes are very important. But apparently I was wearing crappy shoes without enough support. And I pulled a muscle in the top of my foot. And so my left foot is swollen and just uncomfortable. And I'm just really not supposed to walk around that much until it heals. But I'm a whiny baby when I'm sick. There is the leg lamp. I think my story got cut off yesterday. So there is the leg lamp. And now Robert's going to open the next one. I don't know what else it could be. We got both of the brothers.
Oh, it's the decoder.
Oh my God, I do remember that scene. The Annie, what's her
Little
name?
Orphan Annie.
Here, let me show it on the Little Orphan Annie decoder. I wish it was a real decoder. It's not. It's just a piece of plastic.
Be sure to drink your Ovaltine.
Why did they not make this like usable?
I know.
Like it's not. No, it doesn't roll at all. That would have been cool. That's a good part of the movie. All right. Again, proportion size. A little off, but that's fine. Good morning. Happy December 13th. There we go. It's another ornament. That's really neat. And then Sally and Jack. Very nice. I'm sorry, I'm a little tired. I actually had to set the alarm this morning because I have a nail appointment at 9. Usually I get up naturally without an alarm between 8 and 9. So when I have to set the alarm for 7, it just makes me tired, even though it's only an hour difference. What can I say? I'm used to just getting up whenever I want, which is normally 8:30. All right, let's now do the popcorn one. I forgot to read the joke of the day on camera yesterday, and it is a good one, so I'm going to read it today. How did the corn farmer get to be so successful? My husband knew this one. He cornered the market. I guess you have to be like a stock trader to get that, but we thought it was funny. All right, let's find the 13. Oh, that popcorn from yesterday. Go in the pile of popcorns that we're not eating. 13. Did I miss this 13 too? Is that a 3 or an 8? I think that's a 3. All right. Oh, you know what? Let's just do the joke now too. What did the popcorn say on its first trip to the circus? Ooh. I'm not for sure. This is amazing. Now, oh my goodness, I almost forgot a Christmas story and Robert reminded me. Looks like there's a small one right there.
Okay. Oh, it's Cowboy Ralphie. I cannot get these things.
They are very hard.
I can't do it.
All right, it's Cowboy Ralphie. It's actually really good. And if you notice, I got my nails changed this morning. They are blue glitter with snowflakes. And yeah, that's a good one. Good morning. Happy December 14th. Where is 14? Oh, that. Sally is 14. It looks like it's some more recipe cards. Today we have Christmas Town eggnog. What is that? Cat hair. Cats. Halloween Town chocolate pretzel spider webs. Interesting. And then the popcorn. Oh my goodness. Try not to look at the joke because I think I duplicated it yesterday. Double chocolate. Okay, that's a new one. I'll leave it right here in case Robert wants to look at it. And then 14th. What I might do is put all those popcorns in Robert. Mark. I watched another good Hallmark movie. Actually, it was Lifetime Channel. Lifetime Channel this week is having a new Christmas movie every night. Trying to compete with Hallmark. I prefer Hallmark because it's kind of low on the drama. Very nice. And then as usual, we'll wait for Robert. He's still in bed. It's early. He don't get up till 8:30. And then we'll do that. And then we have some errands to run today. All right, we just opened his advent calendar. I thought I was doing an Insta story, but I was actually doing a regular video. So what we got today in 14 was his glasses.
Elf has a big head.
The, shoot your eye out kid glasses.
That's it.
And you can tell this proportion size is, what are you doing? Right
I put
on.
the elf in there 'cause she don't fit right.
Look how good that makes total sense on all
Everything's
these
falling
proportions. Like, who designed that? I'm trying not to complain. Because I was just talking to my sister about everyone and complaining about their advent calendars.
Tiny. I mean, you never.
So I'm trying not to complain because I'm very happy with all my advent calendars.
You gotta be able to see it.
But proportion size is way off.
This is my favorite. I just wish it worked.
I know. That is cool. I don't know. I thought that box, that's awesome. The leg lamp box is pretty awesome.
It's pretty neat.
So the problem is we push these chairs in so he can no longer jump. And then Daddy puts them on the table to support this bad behavior that I'm trying to stop.
He likes it though.
He's like, but Mom, I want to knock over these figures. No.
Those are too small.
These are too small for him, but too big for Ralphie.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead, show how you're Catzilla, knock everything over. Knock it all over.
Yeah, exactly. You're not showing your true colors.
Good thing he's like not a cat like that opens packages besides bread. He totally has not gotten to the popcorn. But at this point, I'd probably like eat the popcorn because we're not.
He probably would too.
But it's got chocolates on for you.
And his eyes are always messed up.
He's got allergies. He's got allergies just like me.
Allergic to humans. Yeah.
Can you hear that purring? Can you hear that? I just remembered. We haven't done the joke of the day. Come here. Ollie just like completely kept.
He just opened them all.
He opened the 24th. You see this? He just stepped on it and opened the 24th.
He doesn't know any better.
Such a bad cat. All right, let's see what the joke of the day is. Today, what are popcorn's favorite flowers?
Poppies.
Poppies. It's going to be poppies. Oh my God. We are wonderful. Why is there not cash prizes for this? We'd be rich. We know all the corny jokes. Corny jokes.
Cornucopia. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's James.
All right. Go watch your
New post.
market advice.
The sentiment bot has my 4 favorite holdings. I don't know what that means. What's a sentiment bot?
Good morning, everyone. Happy December 15th. Here we go. Dr. Finkelstein. What do we got today? Oh, some more ornaments. I like that. My tree's looking pretty good. I can roll that around and get some on the other side. All right, popcorn, 15. Is that 15? What? All right, I'm sorry. Is today the 15th? All right. I'm pretty sure I have not opened it. I know I haven't opened it, but the popcorn's gone. I don't know what to say. I don't know if I removed the popcorn. I'm going to read the joke real quick because I'll know if I read the joke or not. Hold on one second. This is a little confusing to me. All right. I just double checked my phone. It really is the 15th. I don't recognize the joke. I'm just going to read it now. Because we have no popcorn. I don't think it was shorted me. Honestly, as you can see, I'm like carrying this advent calendar like to crap. And so I'm sure it probably just slid. Hopefully I wasn't shorted. Don't know that I really care because I haven't been eating it all. But here we go. How do you make sweet corn? I know I have not read this joke, so it's not like I opened it in error because I can't read. How do you make sweet corn? You whisper sweet nothings in its ear. I like it. I definitely haven't read it. So yeah, no popcorn today. Can't say that I'm crushed on that one. All right, let's find the 15th. The 15th. God, see how I'm talking about? Like, these numbers are so hard to read. Here we go. There's 1-5. I absolutely love this specific Cadbury advent calendar. So like in Great Britain, Cadbury has like 3 different versions of, and I guess one of them, the expensive one, everyone's complaining. And I just went on a rabbit trail yesterday watching all the complaints, but I'm happy with mine. So I never expected a full-size candy bar in advent calendars. So I sympathize with the people who were complaining, but on the other hand, you never get full-size stuff in Advent, so whatever. I can see both sides of the issue. Twirl, this is a good one. Yes, we're now 2 repeats, but all the repeats are good, so I'm definitely not complaining on that either. The 15th, on my favorite chocolate one, a little Christmas present for a Christmas story.
Ralphie's falling down.
Ralphie
The whole
fell
place
over.
is coming down. Where are we going here?
I think this one.
Okay. Oh my god. If it's not meant for people with big, it must be for kids. Not big finger people.
But why could it be? No modern kid is watching this movie.
The soap!
It's us.
Oh, it's the soap. I can't get it.
I'll get it. Look at this. This is a good soap. It's got his picture on it and everything.
That's the best one yet.
That is a good one. Do kids nowadays watch A Christmas Story, or is it just all of us watching it from our childhood? I'm curious, because I'm pretty sure if I asked my nieces about this movie, they would have no idea.